Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to find your first profile picture on Facebook. Let's have a look. First, open Facebook app. To go to your main profile, tap three lines menu on bottom right. Tap your Facebook profile name. Now scroll down and tap Photos. Tap Albums. In Albums, tap on Profile Pictures. All your profile pictures will be displayed. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here the last photo will be your very first profile picture. Tap on the profile picture and you will see the upload date. So these are the steps to find your first profile picture on Facebook app. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.